Hello guys, this is fairbinaryoptions.com and we're looking at a possible double flat, I would say, scenario for the US dollar and Japanese yen, and from this moment of time I'm looking for the pair actually to squeeze higher, not lower. This double flat first of all has one clue that might be of value, and that is this structure here was an expanding triangle actually, and this expanding triangle broke to the downside. It means that it can only be a corrective wave, because expanding triangles or triangles in general are ending corrective waves. So that would be a possible B wave, and then you're looking for a five-way structure. Well, the five-way structure came to the downside here, 1 2 3 4 and 5 here, or maybe 1 2 3 4 and then the fifth here. So it might be done here or it might be done here. It doesn't really matter for the general outcome of the whole picture. So I would say that it is very much possible that our move here to be labeled like wave A to the downside here, then a B wave here that ends with that triangle, of course, and the C wave then to the downside, either done here or here. I would put it somewhere in the middle here, because we don't know exactly that move as of this exact moment. However, what we should look here is what is the structure from the previous highs, and the previous highs are the ones in the 105 area, and I would say that that would be the target market participants should look for sooner rather than later. The reason for that, or this comes with the fact that the move prior to this flat is yet another flat, and in a flat you need the B wave to come to retrace more than 61.8 when compared with the previous wave A. Now this one retraces more than 100, so this is being called an irregular flat. And starting with this moment of time on the right side, you have here A, B, C, so a three-way structure, this to be wave A, then the B wave to the upside, then the C wave to the downside. So just like that, A, B, and then the C here. So three-way structure, wave A, three-way structure, the B wave, and then a five-way structure to the downside, the C wave that ends here. This five-way structure actually goes 1 2 3 4 5 with the first wave impulsive move. The second wave here is the most time consuming, so everything looks to be alright here. And then the move to the upside, or the intervening link, or the link between the two corrections, because this is a flat and this is another flat. So two different flats. Well, what's in between these two different flats? Between these two different flats, we have an X wave, and this X wave should end all the way here. So ABC, intervening X wave, and then another ABC to the downside. Double flat. The intervening X wave is actually still a correction, and from my point of view it might be very possible that what we have here from here to here is actually only a leg of a triangle. The invalidation of the scenario would be priced to go and move below 175, which I don't think is going to be the case. What I'm looking now is still a corrective wave. So if the scenario with the leg of a triangle is still valid, what I'm looking now is still a corrective wave that should go and of course take those highs, and on a bigger picture that should be a running variation of a contract in triangle. However, we are not trading that of a bigger picture, but what we are doing here is we're buying call options, so we are looking to buy call options. And we're heading for that end of week expiration date tomorrow. Let me delete this one from here and this one from here. So buying call options with end of week expiration date, and this should be enough for these options to expire. This option to expire in the money by the time the US markets are going to close on Friday at 8 GMT. That is what that means, end of week. So thank you very much for being here. This is fairbinaryoptions.com, and it is a bullish scenario on the US dollar Japanese yen. So when there is a bullish scenario, I want to go and buy call options with the expiration date this time being end of week expiration date. Again, fairbinaryoptions.com. All these analyses are possible due to our sponsor Lionhive, so make sure you check lionhive.com as well, and also you check all these playlists on fairbinaryoptions.com's official YouTube channel, as all of them are uploaded there for you to see. Bye bye.